Salam everyone, hello and welcome. This is Aya, and in today's video I'm going to share with you my Creative Time 100 release. So let's get started. So the first thing we have extra special, extra. Okay, special. So here is the sentiment. Do I have a white paper? Yes. Let me, you see here's all the cute sentiments. And also we have this beautiful die, and this is called bunny note card. So cute. And let me show you what I did. So I die cut it from a design paper. I distress the edges, then I heat emboss the sentiments, you know, with, let me show you, where is it? I have a problem with memorizing the name, which is that. Okay, and I can't find the ink, but was, you know, Altenew ink. Then I use clear embossing powder, you know, to give me this little bit of phrase, you know, for my sentiment. Then I mounted on a straw and I used a washi tape, or you can use, you know, what do you call it, a glue gun or anything. And the other one I used this cute hard bow dies. So I have, you can, you know, personalize it, make it, you know, a message for anyone. So cute. So this is the first one. The second thing, we have fun size bow dies. So we have the 3 sizes, and here all the bows, so cute. Let me show you the details. Yes. And for this one I created paper clips. It's so cute. Again, I die cut it from design paper and I distressed the edges. Then I used washi tape to mount, you know, to glue them, or you can use, you know, it's better to really to use, you know, glue gun. But I don't know why I didn't use glue gun. Okay. Again, distressing the edges. So cute. So I have, you know, 3 sizes. So next we have egg dye, tag dye. That's so cute. So we have here 2 sizes. This one, you know, stitched, and the other one like with a scallop, and you can, you know, insert, you know, a ribbon, and I'm gonna show you in a second. Also you can do a shaker because you have, you know, the smaller size, so you can create a shaker card. So fun. So again, here is my example. You know, started this satin ribbon, and again I used extra special sentiment, and also I added a small tag here, the egg. So also, and the same for the back, so as if I am sewing them, but instead I used just the ribbon. So cute, as if it's like a lollipop or something. And the other one, I didn't, you know, use a ribbon. I used the ribbon, but not to, you know, to stick them together. I hope I can show here. I just use, you know, strong adhesive. So it gives me this dimension. I really love this one. And I add a ribbon and 1 egg, and the other side I didn't. And just I add a bow tie. Last thing, we have a tube treat box. This is so cute. Let me show you how it turned out. Ta-da! Guys, this is super cute and easy to assemble. Maybe I can do one with you now to show you, but let me show you all the examples I made. So we have this one, and I added a bow from the same release. And this one I just add ribbon. And this is also a ribbon. There is another one, but my daughter took it. Yes, and I used, what do you call it, rubber band, you know, to tie it, or you can just use a ribbon, and you can do it like this one. So you have this one, you can add, you know, your sentiment to give it to your daughter, you know, an inspiration quote or anything, and can be stand, or you can add, you know, some chocolate, or of course you can put chocolate, but I mean, if you want it just as a stand, you know, on your desk or something, you can add something heavy, you know, on the bottom so it will not fall. Yeah, so I really love this one so much. And you know what, let me die cut one with you and assemble it together. So I have this paper, so cute, has a bunny. So here we go, we have the print box. So what you're gonna do, just, you know, see where's the crease line and fold like this. And this part, the one you're gonna put glue, and this little tab. So let me add glue. Then here also we're gonna add a glue. I will add glue here and here a dot and here. Yeah, then I'll flip it. I will take, anything and press hard, to make sure, it's glued. Then I will, I will do like this, just a little push, then go down and push down, push down. Here, for me, I feel this is more easier. Just push it a little bit down. And that's it. You see, it's really easy to assemble it. You can, of course, add ribbon here or tag or anything. So cute. And for that, I'm going to, decorate it, and I'm gonna die cut also this bunny note card. Here is my card. I'm going to distress the edges again. I have this finger dauber. Okay, then I will stamp my sentiments. So here I have my ribbon. It's not a ribbon, it's a yarn. My friend, she bought a lot, lots of yarn from Italy. It's a very, it's a very high quality, to be honest. Very nice. I really love it. I'm not sure if you can find it somewhere here in US or not. So I'm going to use this color. Okay, so we have it here, with the ribbon. Then I have it, you can write the name, or anything. So yeah, and easily you can, and you can add all your tags or, your favorite quotes or anything. That's so cute. So that's for today. I hope you like everything and you like this release. Please go check my blog because there is a giveaway. Emma is giving 2 gift cards worth $20 so you can shop the new release. I'm going to leave all the links, all the information in the description box. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye.